Today we're tackling rust. Back on the Galant. So today I'm on the driver's side to have a look, see if fix this rust here. Last job I did was exactly the same piece on the other side. It was worse than this side, although on closer inspection, I think this is, not sure. Yeah, I think this is pretty rubbish, but we'll see how far it extends and get it fixed up. So this side's much better than the other side. It's just the outside skin that's nasty. All this in here, the inner tub's fine. This inner piece is okay. I'll just clean it all up. Give it a go with the rust converter just to convert some of that surface rust, and then make up a single piece on here to go on the outside. Weld it in, and that should be the end of it. It's good news. Alright, so I've made up this piece. You saw me make it out of paper template, then cut it out onto a piece of steel, initially bend it in the vise and then try to smooth it out with the English wheel, just like the other side. It's come up really nicely. You can see it fits in there real good. Just got to weld it in. The thing to note is look how much crap has come out of the rear quarter. So these two bits here, that's the outer skin, and the rest of this crap is leaves and dirt and rust that's come out of the inner guards. It's that's why these, well, it's why all old cars rust out, because you got the seam down here, you got inner piece and the outer piece, they come down and meet, and there's no drainage, so you get water, dirt, dust, leaves like that sit up in there with a bit of moisture, and they just rot them from the inside out. And as near as I can tell, all old cars do it. They don't paint the insides. So once this bit's welded in, that'll be another side done, which is going to be great. Alrighty, so welded in and ground back. As on the other side, this weld through here is low, so that'll be nice. Just cover that with a layer of filler along the seam, and this repair's done. So that's now both the rear quarters done. So while I was doing this repair over here, I've come and had a look over here in a bit of a scratch. You can see pinholes here and here. Not this big one, this big hole's for a piece of trim that's not going back on. This is going to have smooth sills. So there's normally well, on some of the models, there's a chrome or a stainless steel piece that goes along the bottom of the sills. I don't think we're going to have that on here. This will be smoothed out and painted body color. So these trim holes here will get filled in, but I am going to need to dig in and find out about this. This looks like it's pretty rotten. I don't think it's a big repair. It looks pretty easy, but I'll grind that back and get into it on the next video. So, as usual, thanks for watching. Hope it was enjoyable. That's the majority of the rust now fixed. There's just obviously this bit here, and then there's the bonnet, which I need to get to at some stage. And then it'll be on to bodywork and modifying the rear end to suit the changing tail lights, but that's for another day. Thanks for watching.